I've been wanting to talk to you. I've been wanting to say this to you. I don't want you to think anything, like you're a bad worker or anything like that. Because really, as far as spot removal and, just overall cleaning, hands down, you're the best helper I've had. But there's things that you can improve on. When you're working, it's really good to keep a rapport, with your customers. You just kind of get out of the van and you just go straight to spot. You just go straight. I'm surprised you don't run somebody over. The way you dart through there is like Terminator. It's not a bad thing that you're a hard worker, but you can't just walk in the house and just line drive, just 100% work. It all work, no convo. In this business, we have to build a rapport with our customers, and it's a big part of this business. Yes, you better be able to clean good, but you also have to be able to make your customers like you as a person. You have a little conversation. Hi, how you doing? Compliment them on something that you actually think is nice. Just don't be fake. Smile would be good. Not just walking straight in the house. Just right into spot removal to where it's just like, like I said, like the Terminator, dude. I'm gonna start calling you the Terminator. So basically, I don't want to sit here and have you thinking that I want to let you go or anything like that, because I really don't. I've never felt had a better helper as far as spot removal and just cleaning in general. But come out of your shell a little bit, okay? We're going into people's houses. We really need to respect their homes and build a rapport. That way we can turn this customer into a client. If they love our cleaning, plus they like us as people, well, then we're gonna have a client, and they're gonna be calling us back. There's way too many times people had told me that a company would go in there and be in and out of there in 45 minutes, no dialogue or anything, and on top of that, spots will reappear, carpets be wet. I understand we don't have that problem because we are a superior carpet cleaning company to those people, and with a helper like you, hey, I can't complain on that. But I know as you've been, get your glasses on there, you're kind of feeling cool, trying to loosen up a little bit with your glasses and stuff like that. Hey, I hear you. I see it. But work on your conversation a little bit, okay? Is that cool? Are we good? All right, cool.